welcome back, guys. This episode we are picking up a little surprise for the X5. Got a really good deal on this and going to pick it up.
Turn left onto Ella Boulevard.
And there we go. We gotta turn left. So I'll show you that here in a little bit. Probably won't film inside Peter's place, but I'll show you what we get when we come back. But we are hanging sheetrock this weekend. So the living room is done, all the wiring's done, everything's done. We are going to be putting up sheetrock so it will actually look like a real room. Yeah, so let me jump over here, get the surprise for the X5, and I'll see you guys in a second. So guys, here's the surprise. Yes, that is a True Blue Remus made exhaust for the E53. Super excited. Peter had it. Really nice. Gonna sound really good. They're really light. They're literally no weight to them at all. Thank you, ceiling fan. You can see a lot of this OEM black stuff is rubbed off. I will do a full video on taping all this up and spraying it all and then installing them, guys. This will sound so awesome. They are actually off of another 4.4 X5, so I don't have to modify anything, the flanges, nothing. I can literally paint them up, get them looking nice, and put them on. So, not sure if that'll happen this weekend. Probably will happen, I don't know, next weekend. Who knows? I don't know. But they will go on soon. But for now, all our electrical, as you see, we have lights. I forgot to show you guys. We have lights. We have our 4 can lights in, our ceiling fan, and our light above our door. So now at night, it's light in the house. So we can work at night in here now and actually have light to work. So we are going to insulate, like we're doing over there. Insulate, 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 and sheetrock. So guys, let's get to it. guys, ceiling in this portion is done, which is roughly, what is that, 9 sheets? 9 sheets of sheetrock for the ceiling. So, not the easiest thing to do, as you saw, but we have a little bit left to do. Over there, over there. I'm gonna take down that and put all new sheetrock up so the whole ceiling's new. But that's what we did today. Short video this time, but you know, a lot of house stuff. You did see I snagged the E53 Remus exhaust for the X5. We will get that on there soon. Basically when house stuff calms down, then jump back on car stuff. But also guys, Tony and Sammy's stickers are out on the website. Link's gonna be in the description below. If you want a sticker, go and grab all 3. They're all available now. If you grab all 3 together, I'll do all 3 for 15. So go grab some stickers, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.